Adding someone to your Mint Mobile plan is straightforward. Mint Mobile allows up to 5 lines per account, letting you create a shared data pool. First, the primary account holder needs to log into their Mint Mobile account either through the app on iOS or Android or the website. Then select Add a line from the dashboard. Enter the new user's details, including their name, email, and phone number. Mint Mobile will then send an invitation link to the new user. The invitee will need to provide a physical address for SIM kit delivery. They can choose free shipping or $5 shipping for a faster delivery. Once the SIM arrives, they'll activate it and choose a plan add-on. Remember, new lines require a valid ID for verification. Once the new line is activated, data is pooled automatically from the shared data allotment, which ranges from 10 gigabytes to unlimited. Voice and text are unlimited per line. The Family Hub feature within the app, launched in April 2025, allows the primary account holder to monitor data usage, set parental controls, and manage billing in real time. You can also pause lines, transfer data, or remove users without affecting the primary account. Payment is consolidated, with autopay options available via credit card or bank account. All users must be on the same billing cycle. Keep in mind that while international roaming is shared, it is limited. Recent 5G coverage expansions, leveraging T-Mobile's infrastructure, now cover 99% of the U.S. population, but occasional network congestion can occur in high-traffic areas.